Let's say you're trying to install Windows, but you keep on getting this error. The selected disk has an MBR partition table. On EFI systems, Windows can only be installed to GPT disks, and it's preventing you from installing Windows. Well, today let's fix that. Before we start, this process will erase anything on the drive you select, so make sure you choose the correct one. While you're on the screen showing all the drives where Windows can be installed, hold down Shift and press F10 to open the command prompt. The first command we're going to type is DiskPart, then type list disk. This will show all the drives connected to your computer, and it'll help you figure out which drive is already formatted to GPT, what size it is, and what number your drive is currently. For me, the drive I want to format is disk 0. For you, might be something else. But for me, I'm going to type in select disk 0. And now you'll get a message saying your disk is now the selected disk. If you want to double check that you selected the right disk drive before erasing anything, you can type detail disk. This will give you more information about the drive you currently have selected. Once you're absolutely sure that you have the correct drive, type clean. And what the clean command does is it removes any existing partitions from the drive and makes it show up as unallocated space. So again, make sure you select the correct drive first. After you clean it, type convert GPT. You should get a message saying DiskPart successfully converted the selected disk to GPT format. Now type exit, then close the command prompt and go back to the Windows installation screen. Click refresh. Your drive should now show up as unallocated space. And that's it, now you can install Windows again. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. If you're still having problems, leave a comment with the error that you're getting and what you've already tried, and we'll try to help you out. See you in the next video.